Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on where you are. My name is Anthony, and today I'm going to show you guys how to naturally expand your text from column A to column B. We're going to expand the column size so that way your text is not running between two columns. Okay, let's get into it. So you're new to Excel, you open up this new file. You have a list or something that you're trying to make. For this example, I am going to use Toyota Camry. And then I'm going to just type a couple random words here, and we're going to think of something long here. Happy days, good nights, right? So we have our list. You notice that the text is running from column A to column B. What are we going to do about that? Well, you got two options. You're going to hover your mouse in between columns A and column B. Now, with your left clicker on your mouse or on your keypad, right, you can hold down, click, and drag and manually size it. You can do that, but an easier way is instead of manually dragging, just double click. Just double click in between the columns and it's going to go ahead and get that text over. Now, let me show you something. I'm going to undo that for a moment. You may say, Anthony, I don't need to do this. I have my list. I don't need it sized out. Well, this is good, but once you start having more data in column B, you're going to want to auto size it, right? So let's say you have another word over here, 2007. Let's do 2010, 2009, 2008. We got some stuff here, right? You click. Notice how now the words aren't even showing here. You're going to need to expand your columns or this is not going to look like clean data. So again, going over and double clicking will expand it and it will auto adjust your column sizes, right? Now, if you have something small and you double click, it can also work backwards too if there's extra room for small numbers. Most people may not want to have it like that, and in that case, you could just manually adjust. Okay, so again, it's putting your cursor in between the two columns, double clicking, and if you don't want to, you can of course drag and drop. Now, one thing that people ask is, hey, I need to copy this to a new tab and I want to keep what I just did for sizes, right? Maybe it's a template or you have headers and you want to copy the headers, right? Well, you can do this by simply selecting everything, right? We're going to select, click and drag, and hold Control C on your keyboard to copy. You can right click and do copy. Control C is my preferred method. And when you open a new tab, wherever you want to paste it, you're going to right click and you're going to choose paste special. And it's going to be technically the sixth option, keep source column widths. And that is how you just copied. And for some reason that did not want to paste for me there. There we go. And that is how you expand your columns in Microsoft Excel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my other videos. Any questions, feel free to reach out and ask. And don't forget to leave a comment. Have a wonderful day.